Welcome back to Nigerian news and entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news, gist and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when story drops. Wife in tears as she confronts side chick, accuses her of giving husband anal sex. This was a mild drama in a supermarket after a wife met face to face with her husband's alleged side chick for the first time, and she heavily descended on the young lady physically and verbally. It was not clear whether she was tracked down or they accidentally met at the mall, but the wife was with her friend who was doing the verbal attacks as she recorded the scenes, while the wife was fully involved with the physical assault. The plus-size wife, who burst into tears while confronting her husband's slim side chick, was heard asking her several questions but frequently lamented on how she has suffered for her marriage. She said, "Answer me, who do you think you are? Do you know how much I've suffered in my marriage?" Eyewitnesses who tried to wade into the matters were heard begging the wife, as they also advised the side chick to run away from the scene to avoid further embarrassment.